Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing great. So, in that lecture, we will discuss about mean deviation for ground grouped data. So, as far as the graphical representation of the mean deviation is concerned, it can be depicted by a horizontal line segment drawn below the x-axis on the graph of the frequency distribution as shown below. The approach we have adopted in the concept of the mean deviation is both quick and simple, but the problem is that we introduce a kind of artificiality in its calculation by ignoring the algebraic sign of the deviation. In problem involving description and comparison, algorithm can validity be applied but must. So now we will discuss about coefficient of MD. Sometimes sometimes the mean deviation is corrupted by averaging the absolute deviation of the data varies from the median. So now we will discuss about coefficient of MD. Let us consider the standard deviation data statistics, which is the most important and the most widely used measure of dispersion. The point that made earlier that from the mathematical point of view, it is not very preferable to take the absolute values of the derivation. This problem is overcome by computing the standard deviation. In order to compute the standard deviation, rather than taking the absolute values of the deviation, we square the deviation. Averaging the squared deviation, we obtain a static that is known as the variance. Now we will discuss about the variance. सो गाइस उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारे ये लेक्चर पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी ज़रूर शेयर करें।